Hey everyone, and thanks for logging on to abc2news.com. Meteorologist Mike Taylor with a breakdown of your 7-day forecast, and we have an active pattern going to take us into spring. Let's break down what's going on. This time around we have the high sun angle for March on our side, and this is one of the things we'll be depending on in the days ahead. But let's talk about first things first. In order to have any type of wintry weather, you got to have that cold air present, and the upper level pattern is showing that some cold air will be available, not a very widespread deep area or an abundant area of cold dense air, but it will be enough to cause some snow. The question is, how much are we going to get and who's going to see it? So let's break down what's going on. Here's the cold temperatures. The warm stuff does try to fight back, but then as we go into your weekend forecast, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, yes, 72 hours straight, we'll have a system we'll have to watch. The atmosphere can go either way. We'll have a stationary front in place. Area of low pressure to watch, can produce some snow or a wintry mix as we go into the weekend. So we're on the table to see two systems this week. The first one will be Wednesday. Let's talk about that one now. Here's a look at Futurecast, and this is a blend of several models. And it does bring a wintry mix into Maryland Tuesday night, okay? And that's going to linger on into your Wednesday morning. After that, we'll start to warm up a little bit. We'll get rid of the freezing temperatures in spots. And then once that takes place, then it'll change to a mostly rain event at that point. So this is not going to be a very intense impact for the state, but it could cause some problems in the northeast sections of Maryland, like Harford County, Cecil County, and maybe even northern Baltimore County, for instance. Once we get past this, we'll fast forward into the weekend. Another system is going to set up. A lot of moisture will be available. Cold air, that's the question. How much will be available, and if it times up with the low? Needless to say, in that 7-day forecast, we're putting the caption days worth watching because there's more than just one. We also spring ahead, ironically, so even though we're talking about winter chances of precipitation for the weekend, we spring ahead, therefore we gain an hour of daylight, so to speak, as far as the timing goes of the day. But all in all, this is going to be an active setup over the next 9 to 10 days with the midweek chance of seeing some rain and snow, and then another chance during the weekend and to close out your weekend into next week, Monday. So a lot going on in this 7-day forecast. We'll have you updated right here at ABC2 News as always. So thanks for joining us here. Thanks for trusting us with your weather information. We'll have another update for you for the 7-day tomorrow evening.